Taxi.
Hey, where would you like to go?
To the Radisson Hotel on West Avenue.
No problem.
Excuse me, can I ask you a question?
Sure.
It's my first time in New York, and I only have 3 nights to spend. Do you have any recommendations where I should visit?
You're only spending 3 nights in New York?
Yes, unfortunately, I'm here only for business.
Let me think. Well, you have to visit Top of the Rock.
The Top of the Rock?
Yeah, it's short for the top floor of the Rockefeller Center. It has incredible views of the New York skyline, especially at night. So I highly recommend it. I suggest you avoid going there during the day, because it can get really crowded. It's also close to the Radisson Hotel.
Thanks for the tip.
No sweat. You should also take the ferry and head down to Battery Park to check out the Statue of Liberty. It's well worth it, too.
I appreciate the tips. I'll definitely check them out.
No problem. Anytime.
Panda Travel. Amy speaking. How can I help you?
Hi, Amy. I'm looking to travel to Hawaii with my wife. Do you have any holiday packages suitable for a couple?
In fact, we do. We have 2 travel packages that might be suitable for you. The first is called a Romance Package, and the second is called the Harmony Package.
I see. Can you tell me more information about each holiday package?
Of course. The Romance Package is a holiday package to Hawaii, which includes a 5-night stay at a luxury hotel, continental breakfast, round-trip flights, and a convertible car hire.
Wow, that sounds really nice.
Yes, it is. On the other hand, the Harmony Package is exactly the same as the Romance Package, except for the car hire. You'll be part of a group tour instead.
Oh, I see.
Both travel packages are very good. So it really depends on whether you would like to travel in a group or by yourself.
I understand. How much is each travel package?
Actually, both packages are priced at $1,200. Which holiday package are you more interested in?
What a dilemma. Both sound really great, but I think I'd prefer the Romance Package. Could you send me more information about the Romance Package to my email?
Absolutely. Could I get your email address?
Yes, it's craigsmith1199888@gmail.com.
Just to confirm, your email address is craigsmith1199888@gmail.com.
That's correct.
All right. I've just sent an email to you with the attached Romance Holiday Package PDF file.
Fantastic.
Do you have any other questions?
No, I think I'm all right for now. Thanks for your help, Amy.
You're very welcome. Have a nice day.
You too.
Honey, have you planned our travel itinerary to Hawaii yet?
Most of it. Do you want to go through it with me?
Sure, why not?
Okay, so here's the plan so far. When we arrive in Hawaii, let's grab our rental car straight away, then head to the mall for some shopping. After that, we should head to our hotel and relax. What do you think?
I think that's a good idea.
Then, for the next day, I think we should head to Waimea Beach to swim and relax.
That sounds nice. And on the third day?
I'm not quite sure. What do you think we should do?
I think we should go snorkeling at Hanauma Bay in the morning. Then hike the Makapu Lighthouse Trail in the afternoon.
That's a great idea.
Then on the fourth day, we can head to Kailua Beach and paddleboard for the entire day.
Sounds perfect. How about the final day?
I was thinking we should spend some time at Waikiki Beach first, and then afterwards do some last-minute shopping. What do you think?
Well, I can agree spending time at Waikiki Beach, but I can't agree going shopping.
But I really want to go shopping. I have to go shopping.
Alright, fine.
Yes. I think we planned our itinerary very well. Don't you think?
Yes. Except for the last day.
What did you say?
Nothing.
Josh, do you like to go traveling?
I love traveling. I love traveling so much, I try to visit a different country every year.
Really? Why do you love to travel so much?
Well, I really love to discover new cultures and experience new things. Most importantly, though, I get to enjoy different foods from around the world. What's not to like about that?
You're so right about that. So how many countries have you visited so far?
So far? I think I've visited around 80 countries.
80 countries? You're kidding me.
No, I'm not. Let me think. I've been to Australia, Japan, India, Spain, France, Brazil, New Zealand, China, and Uganda. Just to name a few.
Impressive. So what was the most interesting country you visited so far?
I can't really answer that question.
How come?
Because each country is so interesting and unique in their own way. That's why I can never pick only one country.
Fair point. So which country are you planning to visit next?
As a matter of fact, I'm planning to visit Turkmenistan next month, so I can see the burning crater. Or as others have called it,
the door to hell.
I have no idea what you just told me. But I must say, you do live the most interesting life, Josh.
Thanks. But I really think to live an interesting life, you have to be an interesting person first.
Fair point.
Steve, what is one of your most memorable travel experiences?
One of the most memorable travel experiences? Let me think. That's easy. It was when I was backpacking alone through Maui.
Backpacking in Maui? Sounds very nice.
Yeah, it was. I was staying at a cozy hostel called Ohana Aloha, located on a beautiful and secluded part of Maui. Don't get me wrong, the scenery was incredibly beautiful and exotic, but what made this travel experience so memorable were the people I met at that hostel.
Who'd you meet?
2 fellow backpackers who were also staying at the hostel, Sam and Rachel. Sam works as a software engineer at a big tech company in Canada, while Rachel works as a marketing consultant in New Zealand. Mind you, I've never met Sam or Rachel before, but when we started talking to each other, the conversation flowed so easily. It was weird because it felt like we'd already known each other.
Maybe you knew each other in a past life?
Who knows? We could have. So while we were having a really lively and engaging conversation at the hostel, we suddenly decided, why not head to the nearby private beach?
That must have been really nice.
Words couldn't describe it. So when we finally arrived at the beach, we managed to make our own little bonfire along the shore, sitting around the fire, talking and laughing while watching the stars above us and listening to the waves around us.
What a beautiful setting.
It was. All 3 of us were there until the wee hours of the morning, until we noticed the sunrise.
Then what happened next?
Well, the next day, both Sam and Rachel had to head off to their next destination. Sam was heading back home to Vancouver while Rachel was heading to New York to do some more traveling. It was quite sad saying goodbye.
I'm sure. So, do you still keep in touch with them?
In fact, I do, and it's interesting you say that, because I was recently invited to attend a wedding next week.
Whose wedding?
Sam and Rachel's wedding. They're gonna get married next week.
You're kidding!
I kid you not.
How did they end up getting married?
Well, apparently Sam had to go to New York on a business trip a few days after he returned home. So he decided to contact Rachel to find out if she was still in New York. And as they say, the rest is history.
Wow. That was a really nice story.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share our videos. Okay, see you next time. Bye.